Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will take you through the process of using this natural supplement to alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. Let's get started. Before we dive into using Quietum Plus, it's essential to have a basic understanding of tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition characterized by a ringing or buzzing sound in the ears. It can be caused by various factors such as exposure to loud noise, age-related hearing loss, or medical conditions. By having a better understanding of tinnitus, we can better appreciate how Quietum Plus can provide relief. Quietum Plus is a natural supplement specifically designed to address the underlying causes of tinnitus and provide relief. It contains a unique blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals that support overall ear health. By targeting inflammation, improving blood flow, and strengthening the auditory system, Quietum Plus can help reduce the intensity and frequency of tinnitus symptoms. Now that you have a good understanding of tinnitus and the benefits of Quietum Plus, let's dive into how to use this supplement. It is recommended to take Quietum Plus as directed by the manufacturer. Typically, the suggested dosage is X capsules per day. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully and consult your healthcare professional if needed. After incorporating Quietum Plus into your daily routine, it's important to monitor the results. Keep track of any changes in your tinnitus symptoms and overall ear health. Remember that results may vary for each individual, so it's essential to be patient and consistent. If you have any concerns or questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our step-by-step guide to using Quietum Plus for tinnitus relief. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to manage and alleviate the symptoms of tinnitus. Remember, Quietum Plus is just one approach, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching.